Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver was trading in this particular zone for quite some time. Okay, as soon as this particular zone move upside, we have seen it was trading in this particular zone. And once this zone breaks downside, we have seen a sharp fall has come and a level of around 17.5, which was now act as a strong support. So if the price comes close to this particular level, we can see a bounce back can come from this particular zone. Okay, after that there is continuous upside we have seen, and if this continuous upside, you can say, has come after crossing this particular range in the month of October 3rd week. Okay, and it is continuously on the upside. What you can see, suppose if the price sustain above this particular level, we can see it can touch a level of around $24.5444. Okay, and if that level move further high, we can see it can cross that particular zone and can go towards a level of $25.368, and this level is already a weak resistance. Keep that in mind. Again I repeat, what you can see that there is a swing forming at this particular level and a continuous upside. Now we can see a weak candle is forming with a green. Okay, so now if the price sustain, probability is higher, yes, it can sustain, and chances of going towards a level of 24.544 is there, and this level is already a weak resistance, so chances of going further upside is there. And one important thing is that this level has not, we have seen it has crossed since April of 2022, so chances are high if it sustain above a level of $24.544, we can see it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of $25.3 is a weak resistance, so chances of going further upside is there, and then we can see it can touch a level of $26.2. Keep that in mind and keep trailing your SL, as your profit should not get wiped out in order to getting a bigger profit or getting a bigger target. Always remember to trail your SL. Okay, now if the price sustain above 25.3, we can see it can go and towards a level of 25.8 to a level of $26.2, and if that level also sustain, we can see it can cross this particular zone and a probability of going towards 26.7 is there, and then further upside if the price sustain, because a trend will be there, it will come in this zone once it move above this particular zone. So chances of once it goes above a level of $26.2, chances of touching $26.8 is there, and then further upside. Okay, before we move forward and explain you, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, now look at this particular chart. There is a trend line forming. Okay, and if this trend line breaks downside, or if this form a swing at this particular level, chances are high, suppose if this level goes down, we can see it can touch a level of $24.11, and if that level move further low, then we can see it can touch a level of $23.707. okay, and once the price fall below this particular level, chances are very high that we can see it can touch a level of around 23.707. After this, we can see the next support coming around $23.176. okay, and once the price fall below this particular level, then we can see a trend line will break, and then we can see a sharp fall can come, and which can take the silver price towards a level of $22.5. okay, keep that in mind. Once the price fall below a level of 23.176, chances are high we can see it can touch a level of around 23.257 to a level of, then towards a level of 22.840 to its strong support of 22.5, and once it fall below 22.5, chances of going towards 22.237 is there, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $21.957. okay, and once it fall below this level, then we can see it can go further down. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Okay, now understand something. If you are trading, you have to be careful, because most of the people lose money in trading. What I teach in my workshop, suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, that is 1000 to 1500, and risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100 per trade. okay, so now suppose if you took 5 trades, your maximum risk is $500, that is 100 per trade. okay, now this 100 per trade, so once you lose all 5 trades, relax for the day. Probabilities come, but suppose if you lose all 5 trades, relax for the day, then you trade the next day. What is the benefit? You can focus more on profit rather than recovering this amount. What people do is they lose so much money, 5,000, 6,000 of their capital, and then suppose if their capital is 10k, then 5,000, 6,000, then they try to recover it, and in that process they lose their full capital. This is what they do. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.